Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to Sunna IAS guys. I hope you all are doing really great and enjoying this series which we have started on Indian mapping. Under Indian mapping, we are seeing Indian river systems guys. We have tried to understand in lecture 1 the basics of it plus PYQ analysis, which is very important, right? I hope you must have seen this. Then we have in lecture number 2 we have covered Indus river system extensively. We have tried to cover it without any shortcuts. If you have not seen, I would request those people who are directly coming to this particular lecture, see it from the starting. You will, thus that connection will be made, right? So lecture 1, lecture 2 and lecture 3 was about Ganga river system guys. In the same process, in this today's lecture, that is lecture number 4, we will cover northeastern river systems, which will be basically comprising mainly of Brahmaputra river system, right? And few other rivers also we will be going to see. But those who are coming directly to this video, I will again say that watch these videos first guys, right? Link you will get in the description box. Also find the playlist for Indian mapping, that is Indian river system guys, right? So without wasting any single second, let us move on to see. These are the questions which I've also shown you in the first class, but don't try to solve it now. First try to have the hold of Brahmaputra system on your hand, in your hand guys, right? You have seen in the last classes you have seen that how we have seen the whole Indus route, how we have seen the whole Ganga route, basically the Ganga drainage basin, the Indus drainage basin, right? Similar way we are going to understand Brahmaputra. Before understanding Brahmaputra, you should be familiarized with the geography of it. If you have noticed that I am also making your geography base कि कहाँ पर आप किस स्टेट को देख रहे हो, पहले उसको तो देखो कहाँ पर कौन सी प्रेजेंट है. So you must be familiarized with the northeastern states of India guys. This is your Arunachal Pradesh, very important state, right? Assam. Then you have Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and this side you have Tripura, Meghalaya. Right over here you have Sikkim. So these 8 states comprised of your northeastern India guys. Over here this is Bangladesh country, neighboring states, and this is Bhutan. So from this particular geography point of view, right now I am only focused upon rivers, right? But you have to check it out that over here with Bangladesh, how many borders you can see. When you are understanding neighboring countries, then you see West Bengal. This is also West Bengal part. This is Assam part. This is Meghalaya's part. This is also Assam part. This is your Tripura's part. This is your Mizoram is also attached to Bangladesh guys over here. But I am concerned about your basically river system, and that too Brahmaputra river system guys. So you have to understand, till now we have seen few river system guys, right? I'm really sorry if I made it a bit wrong, but try to understand. I hope you can understand this now. Over here you have seen that I have this Mount Kailash over here. Okay, I am again going to the source of it. How we are studying source, then root, then any tributaries, then your outflow. Over here you have Mount Kailash, you have one Bokharchu glacier over here, you have one Rakshastal, and you have one this Mansarovar lake over here. From here only, in this area, from this area you will see this Tibetan mountain, the Tibetan plateau area. You will see again now your river will be coming originating, and that river is basically Yarlung Sangpo. This is nothing but Brahmaputra river known as Yarlung Sangpo in Tibet. Over here Singhi Khaman. If you remember, what do we call Satluj? Do you remember it? If not, then go see the previous video by heart guys. So this particular entry, now we are going to see that how this Brahmaputra river is entering India, and it is entering through one pass. Let me show you guys. Let's see this map guys. ये हमने तो देख ही रहे हैं. Through Indus river system also we have seen. Over here Satluj also we have seen. Okay, this Ganges is not from this Tibetan plateau, but from the Himalayas of Uttarakhand. We have seen the whole Panchprayag system, how Ganges forms and how Ganga system, and then all we have seen, right? Then over here Yarlung Sangpo is also, you are seeing that originating from over here. So where is the source actually? So I hope you are making this table like again like this: rivers, source, root, and tributaries. Like this you have to make, guys. In every video I am showing you this, and कोई important fact है तो you will be writing about it. Right over here, let's see. So this is basically your, from where it is originating, Angsi Glacier. Bokharchu Glacier, you remember? Great. And Rakshastal over here. एंड वट ओवर मानसरोवर लेक. ये 4-5 आपको ज्योग्राफी का समझ में आ रहा है. दैट तिब्बतियन प्लेट्यू, वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट प्लेट्यू एट द हाइट ऑफ अप्रोक्सीमेटली 5000 मीटर, इज बेसिकली ओरिजिन ऑफ दीज इंपॉर्टेंट रिवर. और ये रिवर इज नॉट ओनली जस्ट रिवर गाइस, दीज आर लाइक very beneficial for the civilization to flourish. Right over here, people to flourish. Over here now you will see that what is the root of it. Over here it is traveling parallel to the mountain ranges in this Tibetan plateau in the China itself, right? Tibetan autonomous region. Then you are seeing that I am concerned about where it is entering in India, from where it is entering in India. तो जब ये आप देख रहे हो तो कौन सी state, over here you can see this state is nothing but Arunachal Pradesh. See this map now. Only see the map where I am showing you. A lot of unnecessary information is given over here. So you are seeing this particular area. So there must be pass. ये तो mountainous area है ना पूरा. That's why I am saying Himalayan rivers, Ganga, Indus, these Brahmaputra Himalayan rivers over here. Now one pass you have to remember. This pass is nothing but Yong Yap Pass, guys. And when I'll be telling you about the passes, 3-4 passes you are already familiarized with. Rohtang Pass, Baralacha Pass, Shipkila, Yongyap Pass, right? So from here it is entering. And आपको पता है जब river ऐसे move कर रही है, नीचे आ रही है, that means slope must be this side. Gradient must be this side, right? तो यहाँ पर mighty Himalayas you have, some hilly areas you have. So flow will be downside. So over here you are seeing that like this it is coming, guys. One more important fact. यहाँ पर तो you are knowing Yarlang Zampo. Now in Arunachal you are seeing this as a Siang. Siang is, and एक और name है इनका Dihang. So Brahmaputra is also known as Siang and Dihang in Arunachal Pradesh, guys. Arunachal Pradesh, ये state अपनी Arunachal Pradesh की. I hope you can understand this. ठीक है? See over here in this map. This is your Arunachal Pradesh. This is complete Bhutan. This is West Bengal part. रिकॉग्नाइज कर पा रहे हो? आई हैव एडेड दीज मैप्स ओनली फॉर यू गाइस. ठीक है, ये आपका अरुणाचल प्रदेश एरिया. ठीक है, ओवर हियर यू आर सीइंग योंगयाप पास. एग्जैक्टली कहां पर है नॉट इंपॉर्टेंट, बट योंगयाप पास इसके कहीं पर योंगयाप पास. ओवर हियर इट इज नोन एज यारलंग जांगपो. ठीक है, देन इट इज कमिंग डाउन एंड ओवर हियर इट इज नोन बाय 2 नेम्स. वन इज सियांग एंड अनदर नेम इज दिहांग, नॉट दिबांग. CH है. Dibang is the tributary of this Brahmaputra river, guys. ठीक है, see this map, guys. Over here you are seeing again this Siang is coming like this. ये जो छोटा सा आप रूट देख रहे हो ना, ये चाइना की ट्रिब्यूटरीज है. अगेन सी दिस सांगपो. और ये छोटा सा ये जो नामचा बरवा, when I'll be teaching you about the mountains of India and I'll be telling you about नामचा बरवा. So नामचा बरवा से you are seeing that it is taking a sharp turn like this. जस्ट सी दिस. अदर थिंग छोटी छोटी ट्रिब्यूटरीज है, इनका ध्यान हमें नहीं रखना. ठीक है, मेजर रिवर कौन सी है? सियांग. देन यू आर सीइंग सियांग इन अरुणाचल प्रदेश एंड दिहांग. देन इट इज क्रॉसिंग दिस पासीघाट. पासीघाट इज वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सिटी इन अरुणाचल प्रदेश, सो यू शुड नो. दोज हु आर नॉट फ्रॉम नॉर्थ ईस्ट उनको पासीघाट के बारे में नहीं पता होगा, बट पासीघाट इज वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सिटी. लाइक जैसे लखनऊ, जैसे आपकी कानपुर जैसे सिटीज है ना इन यूपी, वी हैव सीन. इन राजस्थान में जयपुर एंड जैसलमेर वगैरह आप देखोगे, ऐसे ही पासीघाट यहाँ पर यू विल बी सीन. एंड देन इट इज क्रॉसिंग next state, that is Assam. So first Arunachal Pradesh, then Assam it will enter, and at Assam you will see this Dibrugarh, guys. Over here you will see one more thing. What? Over here you will be seeing national parks and all, biosphere reserves and all. वो आप अलग से कंप्लीट करोगे. ठीक है, ओनली आई एम फोकसिंग अपॉन रिवर ओवर हियर, गाइस. तो यहाँ पर बेसिकली क्या फॉर्म होता है, एक्चुअली डिफरेंट चैनल्स में इट बेसिकली कन्वर्ट्स, राइट. तो यहाँ से भी एक रिवर आएगी, ट्रिब्यूटरी आएगी, वो मैं आपको बताऊंगा. बट इट फॉर्म्स, आप यहाँ पर देख रहे हो एक रिवराइन आइलैंड करके भी इट फॉर्म्स ओवर हियर, जिसे हम मजूली आइलैंड बोलते हैं. अगेन यू विल स्टडी इट सेपरेटली. दिस इज ब्रह्मपुत्र फ्लोइंग इन असम. तेजपुर, अगेन आई एम फोकसिंग अपॉन द सिटीज. तेजपुर, देखो गुवाहाटी सबको पता होता है, ये गुवाहाटी सबको पता है बिकॉज इट इज द कैपिटल, बट तेजपुर, पासीघाट ये सबको नहीं पता होगा. ठीक है, तो ओवर हियर इट इज फ्लोइंग लाइक दिस. And then it is exiting from Dhubri. Dhubri is the last place in Assam from where it will enter in Bangladesh now. And in Bangladesh it is known as Jamuna. it will merge with Padma basically. This is Padma, Jamuna and Padma, and it will be known as Padma. When it will meet with Meghna, it will be known as Meghna. ठीक है, अभी तो पूरा कंप्लीट करेंगे, बट ये रूट आपको समझ में आया? Understand this route now, guys. Over here, now this is Assam. Over here you will come. ठीक है, Dhubari place. Over here it will go to now Bangladesh. Is this particular Brahmaputra river going through Meghalaya? So you are seeing that it is going through the borders of Meghalaya, not exactly passing through Meghalaya, right? Borders of Meghalaya it is passing through, then entering in Bangladesh region. So Bangladesh region we don't consider about the cities and all, but आपको यहाँ पर ध्यान में रखना है about the cities it is traveling through over here. Now I am concerned about that particular tributaries of Brahmaputra. Again, the direction is over here, so you can tell me the right bank tributaries and the left bank tributaries, right? See the left bank tributaries first. Left bank कौन सा हो? You can guess इस side वाला left bank, and this is a right bank. Only where I'm marking, just see that guys. यहाँ से ये channels की form में आप देख रहे हो. So this is nothing but Dibang. तो Dibang और Dihang में आपको end में confusion होगा. अभी confusion नहीं होगा because you are studying right now. I am letting you know that Dibang is different, Dihang is different. But in the examination time, if it will come, you will get confused in the prelims time, guys. तो इसके लिए अभी कुछ ना कुछ sort करो. That Dibang is the tributary. Dihang is the name of the river in name of the Brahmaputra river in this particular अरुणाचल प्रदेश. तो ब्रह्मपुत्रा कहाँ पर बोलते हैं? ब्रह्मपुत्रा हम असम में बोलते हैं, ठीक है, और असम में ही इसको हम एक और नाम से बुलाते हैं, that is लोहित. And the pronunciation can be different, guys. Pronunciate the way you want. But this word you have to, Lohit is different, Lohit is different. ठीक है, probably इसी का कुछ conversion में बोलते होंगे because Lohit यहाँ पर एक और river, एक tributary will be adding to this particular, but Lohit and Brahmaputra is known in Assam. In Bengal you will say it will be known as Brahmaputru, and in this particular Bangladesh you know it is known as Jamuna, not Yamuna but Jamuna. ठीक है, तो ये नेमिंग आपको पता होनी चाहिए. Over here then second tributary is Lohit. Lohit के भी बहुत सारी channels होंगे. For example we have Singh, Chandra, Bhaga and all then meeting up. तो इतना हमें यहाँ पर ध्यान नहीं रखना, but understand that Lohit is meeting over here in this Assam place, guys. Assam में they are meeting, originating somewhere in China and all, and coming down and Arunachal Pradesh and then meeting in Assam over here. फिर one more Buri Dihang, that is Buri Dihang over here. Dihing basically you will find over here. Not very important tributary, you can ignore. See in this map too. Dibang you can see because of several channel it is coming like this. Lohit you can see कहाँ से originate हो रहे हैं. ठीक है, over here Buri Dihang is also coming over here. Buri Dihang is basically meeting Lohit. ठीक है. So over here where you are seeing this Dihang river is coming, this place is basically one place at Sadia. So Sadia is the place in Assam. ठीक है, और over here in Arunachal Pradesh the next place Domjer. Bomjer, guys. B. Bomjer. Sadia, to at least you remember. Bomjer is in Arunachal Pradesh. Over here, let me show you in the another map, guys. You try to understand in this map. ठीक है, यहाँ से आपका नामचा बरवा से टर्न लिया, यहाँ पर आपका एक पास था. I hope you remember. It is entering like this, flowing like this. ये border से going like this. You have understood one left bank tributary as. तो ये जो place है ये हमारी सादिया प्लेस है. ये जो प्लेस है बोमजेर प्लेस है. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट लोहित, नेक्स्ट दिहांग, दिहिंग सॉरी ये दिहांग था, ये लोहित है, एंड वन इज दिहिंग, बूढ़ी दिहिंग. आपने देखा था बूढ़ी दिहिंग, तो दिस इज दिहिंग बेसिकली. यू कैन से इट इज अ ट्रिब्यूटरी ऑफ लोहित एंड इट इज अ ट्रिब्यूटरी ऑफ ब्रह्मपुत्र ऑल्सो, दिहिंग, जिसको बूढ़ी दिहिंग के नाम से मैंने आपको दिखाया. नेक्स्ट रिवर यू हैव टू नोटिस दैट ओवर हियर इन नागालैंड there is one peak called as Laisang Peak. From this Laisang Peak you will see one river will be, one tributary of Brahmaputra will be coming over here and it will be known as Dhansari. Very important, Dhansari is the left bank tributary. One more river is there in Nagaland which originates from here and it is known as Dikhu. Dikhu, guys. So what you have to remember now, if in short I'll tell you, ये रूट आपको ध्यान में होना चाहिए. ठीक है, ये आपको नामचा बरवा पर्वत ध्यान में होना चाहिए. यहाँ पर एक पासीघाट सिटी बताया था, डिब्रूगढ़ सिटी बताया है, देन तेजपुर, देन दिब्रू, गुवाहाटी आपको याद रहेगा, ठीक है। दिस इज डिब्रूगढ़, पासीघाट over here, Pasighat is nearby Brahmaputra only, or this Siang river only. Then Guwahati, over here Tezpur, and this is Dibru, then this is Bangladesh over here. You must know about the left bank tributaries now. This is your which river? Dihang. This is your Lohit. This is your one more over here, Puri Dihing. Then your Dikku. Then one more Dhansari. धानसरी एंड दिक्कू ओरिजिनेटिंग फ्रॉम नागालैंड, ठीक है, ये आपको ध्यान में होना चाहिए। नाउ यू चेक आउट द राइट बैंक ट्रिब्यूटरीज, ये राइट साइड हुई, तो राइट बैंक ट्रिब्यूटरीज कौन सी होगी? अरुणाचल प्रदेश में वन रिवर इज ज्वाइनिंग, वन रिवर इज ओरिजिनेटिंग फ्रॉम हेयर, कहीं से भी ओरिजिनेट हो सकती है, आपको एग्जैक्ट प्लेस मालूम करने की जरूरत नहीं, बिकॉज दीज आर ट्रिब्यूटरीज। यहाँ से कौन सी रिवर ओरिजिनेट हुई? दिस इज योर सुभानशरी, तो सुभानशरी इज द राइट बैंक ट्रिब्यूटरी, धानसरी इज द लेफ्ट बैंक ट्रिब्यूटरी। See in this map guys, ये सुभानसरी आप देख रहे हो, सुभानसरी इज कमिंग ओवर हेयर एंड मीटिंग इन द लखीमपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ असम। मैं दिखाऊंगा आपको लखीमपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट, बट सुभानसरी याद रहेगा आपको। देन तेजपुर के पास ये वाला नाम छोड़ो आप, ये जो रिवर मिल रही है तेजपुर के पास, दिस इज रिवर इज नोन एज कामेंग रिवर गाइस, कामेंग। और आप कामेंग टाइगर रिजर्व भी पढ़ते हो, टाइगर रिजर्व की लिस्ट अलग चलेगी, ठीक है। और यार कामेंग इज द ट्रिब्यूटरी, राइट बैंक ट्रिब्यूटरी ऑफ ब्रह्मपुत्रा। See this map also you can understand, this is your Subhansari, this is your Brahmaputra, ये आपको समझ में आ रहा है आसाम के मैप में। this is your Kaming, Kaming you have seen तेजपुर के पास, and this is your which district? Sonitpur district, this is your Lakhimpur। over here one more river is originating and meeting Brahmaputra, that is Beki river guys, Beki। then after Beki you will see Manas over here, तो ये भूटान से इमर्ज हो रहा है, ठीक है। another river which is a bit over here, भूटान और आसाम के बॉर्डर्स में, let me show you over here, भूटान और असम के यहाँ से you will be seeing and it will be meeting ब्रह्मपुत्र। this is your शंकोश river, शंकोश, गदाधर शंकोश, और संकोश के नाम से भी याद रख सकते हो, शंकोश। over here मानस, over here बेकी, this is your कामेंग, this is your सुभानसरी, ठीक है। यहाँ से तो सियांग आ ही रही है, अंडरस्टैंडिंग। see it once more in this particular map, let me change the map guys। over here you try to understand, ठीक है। ये फ्रेश मैप में will ये यारलंग जांगपो आया, नामचा रुआ, कैन यू सी, then it is taking a turn over here and entering as Siang in Arunachal Pradesh, or Dihang, not Dibang guys। over here from here it will be entering and it will be flowing like this guys, basically it will be forming borders over here, Meghalaya Assam border, and then it will be flowing like this। so you should know about the, right now we have seen the right bank tributaries, Subhanshari, this is Subhanshari, left one was Dhansari, then over here Kaming, then over here I have told you to remember Beki, Manas, and the borders में कौन सी थी? संकोश। there are two more rivers over here between Manas and Sankosh, you will remember it like this, मानस और संकोश के बीच में दो rivers और हैं, one is Radak next to Manas and next to Radak is जलढाका। ये ध्यान में रखना है गाइस आपको, जलढाका, रैडाक, मानस, संकोच, संकोच मानस के बीच में जलढाका एंड रैडाक है। ईस्ट टू वेस्ट, वेस्ट टू ईस्ट ऑल्सो दे कैन आस्क यू वेरी इजीली, ठीक है। यहाँ से आपको दिबांग आया, लोहित, बूरी दिहिंग, ओवर हेयर धानसरी एंड ओवर हेयर धानसरी एंड दिक्कू, ठीक है। now one more tributary very important which is originating from Sikkim is remaining guys, and you must be all knowing about that river too। see over here river Tista will be originating in Sikkim, ठीक है। सिक्किम का आप देख रहे हो, यहाँ से it will be originating and entering into Bangladesh, ठीक है। then in Bangladesh then it will be, sorry not West Bengal state of India, then it will be going into Bangladesh guys and merging with, over here Brahmaputra is coming, it will merge with Brahmaputra, so it is one of the important tributary of Brahmaputra। you will see Tista, तो Tista आप लेफ्टन this particular ये वाली वेस्टर्न साइड में सबसे वेस्ट साइड पे देख सकते हो, ईस्ट साइड पे you are seeing धानसरी, right, sorry Subhansari, Dhansari is in the western, sorry left hand tributary। so over here Tista is having two tributaries more over here, one is Rangit and another tributary in the Sikkim itself, this is Rangpo। so Rangpo and Rangit are the tributaries of Tista which are present in the Sikkim itself, and they are merging in the Sikkim itself, right? so then Tista will be known as like this, Teesta is basically traversing this particular Sikkim state, West Bengal state and Bangladesh country over here. So Teesta is not flowing through Assam, ये ध्यान में रखना है. Teesta is not going to Bhutan, Nepal. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन ऐसे आने वाले हैं आपके पास ऑप्शंस में भी. नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड. देखो अब लास्ट रिवर रहती है ट्रिब्यूटरी ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर सिस्टम ओनली. कैसे आपको पता चलेगा अभी वो कहां पर रिवर? इफ यू कैन, मणिपुर में यू रिमेंबर द बराक, रिमेंबर. इफ यू डोंट, देन वन इंपॉर्टेंट रिवर विच इज ओरिजिनेटिंग फ्रॉम मणिपुर. देखो नागालैंड से 2 रिवर ओरिजिनेट करवा दी थी, दैट इज धनसरी एंड ढिक्कू. ओवर हियर मणिपुर यू विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट. जस्ट वेट गाइस, just wait. So I was telling you that over here Barak river originates from Manipur hills guys. ये Barak river का origin I am telling you, ठीक है. Barak is originating from here, bordering with Assam, then bordering with Mizoram and all. ठीक है, यहाँ से आप इसका कुछ ऐसा देखोगे. Exact route is not important but I am telling you. Then it will enter into Assam. Then देखो तो यहाँ पर इसे क्या बोला जाता है? Barak. But when it will enter into Bangladesh it will be known as Surma. सूरमा, सेम रिवर इज नोन एज सूरमा नाउ. एंड देखो यहाँ से ब्रह्मपुत्र था, ब्रह्मपुत्र इज कमिंग ओवर हेयर, और ये आपको निशान दिख रहा है यहाँ पर. तो ओवर हेयर इट विल कम एंड इट विल देन लेटर ऑन विल बी नोन एज मेघना. तो हम मेघना, बार बार मैं बोल रहा था आपको मेघना, बेसिकली पद्मा एंड जमुना मीटिंग, देन इसको पद्मा ही बुला रहे हैं हम. देन पद्मा एंड मेघना विल बी मीटिंग एंड देन इट विल बी फ्लोइंग लाइक दिस, और मेघना के फॉर्म में इट विल बी गोइंग एंड फॉर्मिंग डेल्टा गाइस. So एक tributary, important tributary over here you have found Barak. So if I ask you that which is the longest tributary of Brahmaputra river, if I ask you, then your answer should be, you must be confused about. देखो एक तो देखते ही आपको पता चल गया होगा. Over here if it is coming and Ganga is coming like this, over here then Reda, this particular river is Barak. Barak, which of the states it is passing through? Manipur? Yes. Is it passing through Nagaland? Over here Mizoram, Assam. It is passing through Nagaland also guys, like this, Nagaland border, then Mizoram border, and then like this. So Mizoram also, Manipur also, Nagaland also, and Assam. So 4 states this Barak river is passing through, not Tripura. Then it is entering into Bangladesh. It is forming basically the 2 rivers. Over here you will find one, I have told you, Surma, and it will divide into Surma and one more, Kushiara. Over here Kushiara river, though it is in Bangladesh, that's why I am not stressing upon this fact, but यहाँ पर वो सूरमा और बांग्लादेश में डिवाइड होके again they will be meeting and forming Meghna, and then they will be merging with above the Padma. Padma and Meghna will be again meeting and then forming this delta. So longest tributary, if in the options Barak is mentioned, then Barak will be the longest tributary. If they have mentioned only these tributaries like over here which we have seen, then out of this Subhansari is the longest tributary guys. Subhansari, ठीक है. Teesta is not the longest tributary. Subhansari is the longest tributary. So again let us see and finally draw what we have understood. This is your Angsi glacier near Kailash Parvat, Kailash mountain ranges. This is the part of Tibetan plateau. Over here you will see Yarlang Zangpo, Namcha Barwa have come. That means you have to take a U-turn. Entry will be taken from one pass, that is Yongyap Pass. Then in this particular Arunachal Pradesh, it will be known as Siang and Dihang. Okay, let me just remove it. Okay, over here then you will see traveling through Assam, all the Dibrugarh, Tezpur, all the cities. Then last city Dibru. Over here then it will go towards Bangladesh and meeting like this over here, right? From here your Ganga is coming, crossing West Bengal, entering Bangladesh, known as Padma, and from here it will be known as Padma. ठीक है, Meghna is yet to come. Over here if I ask you the Meghna, अगर Meghna भी आपका origin अगर आप बता दो, तो this is Manipur. Manipur में you will be rising, crossing the borders of Nagaland, then crossing the border of Mizoram, then entering Assam, crossing Bangladesh. I hope you are understanding. Forming 2 rivers, distributing into, bifurcating into 2 rivers, and then meeting again. So this is Surma and this is Kushiara, meeting again and forming Padma, and then meeting this Meghna and meeting this Padma over here, and then forming delta in the Sundarban delta, world largest delta. I hope you have understood this much guys. This is your Barak river, very important. इट इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली, देखो ब्रह्मपुत्र अप्रोक्सीमेटली कितना किलोमीटर है ना, 2900 किलोमीटर। तो आपका जो चार्ट बन रहा है वहां पर ये इन्फॉर्मेशन डाल लो। सारी रिवर्स, सारी ट्रिब्यूटरीज नॉट इंपॉर्टेंट कि हम उनका एक एक लेंथ जाने। बराक कितना है, अप्रोक्सीमेटली 900 किलोमीटर्स टोटल लेंथ, आई एम टेलिंग यू, नॉट इन इंडिया। बिकॉज व्हेन यू विल सर्च और आपको एनोमली मिलेगी, यहाँ पर तो अलग लिखा है, वो लिखा होगा सिर्फ इंडिया का या तो किसी चाइना पार्ट का। टोटल लेंथ व्हेन यू विल सी, यू विल गेट इट। अंडरस्टैंडिंग? इफ आई आस्क यू, okay, write down the right bank tributaries of Brahmaputra from west to east. एक बार आप प्रैक्टिस करने की कोशिश करो, then I'll be telling you. West to east I am saying. तो सिक्किम से you will be seeing the rise of this Teesta river over here. Sikkim will be crossed, then West Bengal will be coming, and then Bangladesh. No Assam and all. Assam में जा रहा है? No. Over here two rivers I have told you, Rangit and Rangpo. सही. Then I have told you that at the borders of West Bengal and Assam, originating from Bhutan, there is one river known as Sankosh. Then I have told you Sankosh and Manas. Manas is originating from Bhutan. There are two rivers basically, Jaldhaka and Raidak. And this is your Manas. And one more river originating from Bhutan over here, that is Beki. This is your Beki. Then Kaming, very important tributary, Kaming over here near Tezpur you will find Kaming. Okay, so this is Sonitpur district of Assam, not important to remember. Then over here Subhansari, Subhansari is meeting over here guys in the Lakhimpur district of Assam. Understanding? So this is a very important facts of the right bank tributaries from west to east. Now the left bank tributaries from right to, from east to west, if I'll say that it is merging with first of all Dihang, then Lohit, then you will see Puri Dihing or Dihing also you can say. Then over here you will see this originating from Nagaland hills. This is your Dikku or somewhere Dikko you will see, and from here only you will see this Dhansari. This is Subhanshari. Kaming. This is your whole Brahmaputra river system. Likewise, pause the video, or after watching this whole video series which you have seen, try to draw it on your own guys. Try to draw the map of Indus also, try to draw the map of Ganga also, right? This, at least this much you should know. You should know that Sikkim, then West Bengal, then Bangladesh. No interference of Assam. Like this you have to see. Over here, Barak is very important. I'm telling you, next question will be on Barak. I'm telling you, this is your Manipur crossing the, is it touching Nagaland? Yes, Nagaland also. Then Mizoram, no Tripura interference. Then this is Assam region. Then this is Bangladesh. Bangladesh mein kahan se ja raha hai? We are not concerned about it. This is whole your Assam region. Assam and Brahmaputra region. This is your Nagaland region. This is your whole Arunachal Pradesh region. This is your Bhutan. Over here your Sikkim. Over here Nepal will be starting. This is your Bangladesh and West Bengal over here. This visualization should be there. तभी तो आप 1 मिनट में in the examination in prelims solve कर पाओगे. ठीक है, और questions are going to come easy. अब ये easy उनके लिए होगा those who have practiced this simple map. जैसे simple map अपने tips पे रखा होगा, right? So see the question like this: which of the following tributaries of Brahmaputra? Very easy. Dibang, Kaming, Lohit, तीनों है या नहीं है? तो इतना easy question अब नहीं आएगा, बहुत पुराना question है, 4-5 साल पहले का. This is one of the latest question you will see. Important, river Teesta. The source of river Teesta is the same as that of Brahmaputra, but it flows through Sikkim. Suppose if you are not sure about this statement, pause, see other statements guys. River Rangit ऐसा यूपीएससी में हमेशा होगा. Whatever I am teaching you, और कोई भी कहीं से भी आप पढ़ रहे हो, वो as it is नहीं आने वाला. You are creating a knowledge base. उस knowledge base से कुछ निकाल के आपने को वो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना है. तो एज इट इज नथिंग इज गोइंग टू कम, राइट? रिवर रंगीत ओरिजिनेट्स इन सिक्किम एंड इज अ ट्रिब्यूटरी ऑफ रिवर तीस्ता, बिकॉज तीस्ता ट्रिब्यूटरीज यू हैव अंडरस्टूड. दिस यू आर श्योर अबाउट. रिवर तीस्ता फ्लोज इनटू द बे ऑफ बंगाल ऑन द बॉर्डर ऑफ इंडिया एंड बांग्लादेश. नाउ इफ दिस थर्ड स्टेटमेंट इज इजी गाइज, इफ यू नो दैट ओवर हियर हाउ, जस्ट वेट, दिस इज योर, just wait guys over here. If you remember, this is your Sikkim, okay? This is your Bhutan, this is your Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, just wait, ये विजुअलाइजेशन आपको एग्जाम में भी करना पड़ेगा। बांग्लादेश ओवर हेयर एंड लाइक दिस यू हैव, ठीक है। तो आपका वेस्ट बंगाल तो यहाँ तक है, एंड यू नो अब ये जो इंडिया और बांग्लादेश का बॉर्डर तो ये हुआ या ये हुआ, यू एग्जैक्टली नो कि रिवर तीस्ता को आपने यहाँ पर लाकर कहीं मिलाया था, तो ये इस बॉर्डर्स पे तो कहीं नहीं है, तो ये तो विजुअलाइजेशन आपका कह ही रहा है। दिस मच डिटेल्स दे आर आस्किंग यू, तो आप इससे समझ क्या रहे हो, अगली बार ऐसा ही सेम नहीं आने वाला, अगली बार भी दे आर आस्किंग यू द डिटेल्स ऑफ इट कि कैसे क्या रूट फॉर्म हो रहा है, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट टाइम दे विल गिव यू बाराक इज ओरिजिनेटिंग फ्रॉम नागालैंड और बराक इज ओरिजिनेटिंग फ्रॉम असम, तो लाइक दिस दे आर गोइंग टू गिव यू गाइस। सो तीसरा स्टेटमेंट तो गलत हुआ बिकॉज यू नो यू आर श्योर अबाउट इट। व्हेन यू विल डू थर्ड स्टेटमेंट रॉन्ग यू आर ऑटोमेटिकली रीचिंग टू द सेकंड आंसर, बट समटाइम्स यू नीड मोर नॉलेज ऑल्सो। सो रिवर रंगीत अगर आपको पता है तो भी आप देखो, जब क्वेश्चन डिफिकल्ट आता है तो ऑप्शंस इजी आते हैं, अंडरस्टैंड दिस। when question will be easy, for example 3 statements will be given and states will be given over here, that 3 rivers and states will be given, then what they will do, options they will make difficult, then they will give only 1 pair correct, only 2 pair correct, only 3 pair, then options will be difficult. So this is the nature of UPSC which you have to understand through previous year. In this particular class we have completed this northeastern river system that included Brahmaputra, that included your Meghna, this particular Surma and your Kushiara river, and then Barak river. From here Tista river you have seen. So thank you so much guys, I'll meet you in the next session. If you like it, do comment, and in the next session we will be starting some other river system, maybe of peninsular river system. ठीक है, take care guys.